In the face of modern technology, there's still something to be said about authenticity. Tons of companies create super nice fiberglass replicas of some of the coolest Detroit metal to ever roam the highways. But at the end of the day, they're still just a copy of the real thing. Featuring 302 cubic inches of Dearborn power, this real steel 36 Ford Coupe combines the core strengths of originality with modern dynamics and top-notch components. This street rod's smooth and solid steel body began life as a run-of-the-mill 1936 Model 48 that was maintained, driven, and paraded for most of its life. During a detailed frame-off restoration, that old-school metal was stripped, sanded, fitted with a louvered hood, and layered in conservative black two-stage. That two-stage was complemented with traditional pinstripes, a tight vinyl roof, and mirrored bumpers, and everything was finished in tasteful trim. Twist the vintage door handles and you'll find that simple is the name of the game. The leather-lined cockpit is trimmed with a broad bench seat, chrome window frames, and metallic gauges. Vintage air conditioning keeps the driver and passenger cool, and a polished steering wheel spins around a tilting column. Keeping performance and reliability in mind, the builders of this coupe equipped the car with a familiar Boss 302 with tri-power. That V8 is mated to a 4-speed overdrive automatic and spins a Ford 9-inch with 355 gears. You really cannot ask for a cooler street rod than this 36 Ford. With an unbeatable combination of authentic good looks and modern hot rod technology, it's the perfect car for any enthusiast who wants a top-notch build without spending 2 years and 6 figures achieving it. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.